Today, we're going to take a quick look at a project enclosure for the 1602 LCD screen, which also fits a half-size breadboard, or an Arduino Uno would fit in here as well. Now, this is 3D printed. All the files are available for free. There's a link below. They're on Thingiverse. For the cover, there are two options. The one I'm showing here at the moment, the LCD screen is centered, but you can also select, there is another one, lid, and it's offset, so the LCD screen is towards the top, and that way you could add some holes for potentiometers or push buttons or whatever you would like. I also did not put any holes in the enclosure. I left that up to whatever you were going to be designing to use it for, to go ahead and drill in, a hole for a power jack or a hole for speaker wires or whatever you're going to use this for. So you can do that with a drill, or most drafting softwares will open up the STL file and allow you to modify it. So you can go ahead and do that. A little benefit of these is I had done a video not too long ago on the spacers for the LCD screen, because just putting it on there and trying to screw it down, it would sit on level because the solder joints stick up in the upper corner, and then part of the backlight comes out the side, and it made it uneven, so you would have to use washers or some kind of spacers in there. And what I did is I designed a spacer you can use with it, but for this project enclosure, both of the lids have it built into it, and it's set up so this one here, it would be at the top, and this one, let's see, your I2C module always faces towards the top of the screen, so for that one it would go that way. All right, that's all there is to go over with this. Once again, look in the description below. You'll find a link to Thingiverse. You can get these files on there. If I do any redesigns, I will also add those files to it, but the main ones that'll be on there, it'll be the centered lid, the box, and offset. And one quick little thing, I did leave the holes a little on the small side. You will most likely have to drill them out to fit what you were going to use, and as well with the mounts into the box and the pillars here, I made those even smaller so that you could thread a screw into there. Simply, drill it out and make sure the drill that you're using is smaller than the screw, and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for joining us here today. Hope you have a great day, and have fun 3D printing your LCD and half breadboard enclosure.